In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage messages and comments in Metricool's inbox. We'll walk through the full flow, from opening Metricool to keeping your conversations organized, so nothing slips through the cracks. By the end, you'll feel confident handling messages and comments quickly and professionally, all without leaving Metricool. Start by opening Metricool and signing into your workspace. Once your dashboard loads, look toward the top menu and click Inbox. This is your central hub for communication across the social profiles you've connected. Think of it as a unified mailbox. Messages and comments stream in here so you don't have to jump between apps. Inside the inbox, take a moment to get familiar with what you're seeing. You'll find a list of recent messages and comments along with helpful context, like the platform they came from and when they arrived. Skim this view to understand your current queue at a glance. If you have a busy account, it can help to scan for fresh items first, then work your way down so you keep response times tight. When you're ready to dive into a specific conversation, simply select it from the list. This opens the full thread, showing the history and any back and forth so you have the proper context before replying. Confirm which social account and platform the conversation belongs to, and note the tone and content of the last message. That quick check ensures your response is relevant and consistent with your brand voice. Now, reply directly inside Metricool. Use the reply field to compose your message and keep it clear and personable. If the user asked a question, answer it directly. If they left a comment, acknowledge it and add value where you can. Aim for concise, friendly language and double-check spelling and links before sending. When you're happy with it, send your reply. There's no need to switch tabs. Metricool handles it from here. After you've responded, mark the conversation as read to clear it from your immediate to-do list. If you need to follow up later or you're awaiting more information, mark it as pending instead. This simple habit keeps your inbox tidy and makes it easy to spot what still needs attention. Finally, manage engagement by maintaining a steady rhythm. Check the inbox regularly, prioritize time-sensitive items, and use pending status as your reminder system. Over time, this workflow will shorten response times, improve consistency, and help you build stronger relationships with your audience, all from one place.